Every major AI you use today, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, runs on the same core idea, not 1,000 ideas. 1. It's called attention, and most explanations of it miss the point entirely. Here's what people get wrong. They hear transformer and think it's some sprawling, impenetrable architecture. It's not. The transformer is a design built around a single question. When a model reads a sentence, how does each word figure out which other words matter to it? Before 2017, the dominant approach was to read text the way you read a ticker tape, one word at a time, left to right, passing a summary forward. The problem is obvious if you think about it. By the time the model reached word 50, word 3 was a fading memory. Long documents broke these systems. Complex reasoning broke them. Context just bled away. Attention solved this by throwing out the conveyor belt entirely. Instead of processing words in sequence, a transformer lets every word look at every other word in the input, all at once. Each word asks a simple question of every other word. How relevant are you to what I mean here? The answers come back as weights, strong connections and weak ones, and the model uses those weights to build a richer understanding of each word in context. Here's the concrete version. Take the sentence, the cat sat on the mat because it was tired. What does it refer to? You know instantly, the cat. But a model has to figure that out from structure alone. With attention, it looks back across every prior word, and the connection to cat lights up strongly while mat stays dim. That's not a rule someone programmed. The model learned that pattern from seeing millions of sentences. The other breakthrough hiding inside this design is parallelism, because every word examines every other word simultaneously, not one after another. The whole process maps cleanly onto modern GPUs. That's what made it possible to scale these models from millions of parameters to hundreds of billions. The old sequential approach couldn't do that. Attention could. The T in GPT stands for transformer. The T in every model you interact with today traces back to this same mechanism. When people say AI had a breakthrough moment, this is the moment they mean. Not a single product launch, but a shift in how machines process language that made everything after it possible. That matters to you because every AI tool you rely on for writing, search, code, analysis is only as good as its ability to hold context and find connections. Attention is the reason it can do that at all. Understanding this gives you a clearer lens on what these tools actually are and what they aren't. If that was useful, subscribe. New explainer every week. I'm Ariella.